Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Traeger Ironwood 885 wood pellet grill and smoker. I've looked through the internet, checked expert reviews, user discussions, long-term owner feedback, and barbecue community opinions, and in this video I'm going to break down whether this smoker is actually worth buying or if it's just another overpriced backyard gadget. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the Ironwood 885 feels like a serious piece of equipment. This thing is large, heavy, and built to look like a centerpiece for your outdoor cooking setup rather than some cheap grill you replace after a season. The 885 square inches of cooking space is honestly one of the biggest selling points here because you can cook for an entire family gathering without constantly rotating food around. Briskets, ribs, burgers, chicken, multiple racks at once. This thing has room for it all. A lot of owners online specifically mentioned how upgrading from smaller grills completely changed the way they cook during parties or weekend barbecue sessions. Now, the feature most people talk about is the WiFIRE smart control system. Basically, you can control temperatures, monitor cooks, and get alerts directly from your phone. And honestly, this is where the Traeger experience starts making sense. Instead of babysitting charcoal or constantly checking temperatures every 20 minutes, this grill is designed to make smoking easy and consistent. The D2 controller keeps temperatures surprisingly stable, and according to multiple reviews, it's one of the strongest reasons people love this grill. The Super Smoke mode is another feature that sounds gimmicky at first, but many users actually say it helps produce a deeper smoke flavor during long, low-temperature cooks. Brisket and ribs especially seem to benefit from it. But I also want to keep this review realistic because not everyone agrees on the smoke performance. Some experienced pitmasters online felt the smoke flavor was lighter than traditional offset smokers or charcoal setups. So if you're expecting intense Texas-style smoke flavor that punches you in the face, this may not fully replace a hardcore stick burner. What the Ironwood 885 does exceptionally well is convenience. This grill is for people who want reliable results without spending an entire day managing fire and airflow. You load pellets, set your temp, and let the grill handle the hard part. That's why so many owners describe it as predictable and stress-free. Another thing I noticed while researching is that long-term owners generally seem pretty loyal to this model. A lot of people said they use it several times a week with very few issues. There are occasional complaints about Wi-Fi connectivity or firmware glitches, but most feedback points towards strong reliability overall. Now let's talk about the biggest downside, the price. This is not a budget smoker at all. Once you factor in pellets and accessories, this becomes a pretty expensive investment. And at this price point, there are definitely competitors people compare against. Some Reddit users even argued there are better value pellet smokers on the market now. But after going through reviews, testing opinions, and owner experiences, here's my conclusion. If you want a premium pellet smoker that is easy to use, packed with smart features, extremely spacious, and capable of delivering consistently great barbecue with minimal effort, then yes, I do think the Traeger Ironwood 885 is worth buying. Especially for busy people who love barbecue but don't want the constant maintenance of traditional smoking methods. But if maximum smoke flavor is your top priority and you enjoy the hands-on process of managing a real fire, you might still prefer a more traditional smoker setup. Overall, the Ironwood 885 feels like a luxury backyard cooking machine focused on convenience, consistency, and versatility, and for the right buyer, it absolutely delivers on that promise.